Hi aliens, welcome back to our Java session. I hope everyone doing well. May I have some responses please? Yes or no? Hi, hi. See, this is the Josh I need in the class. Hello, hello. Okay. In the last session, we have come across how to write a class and what are the content I can insert in the class and how my Aura will work, which nothing but that is write once, run anywhere. Next, if I'm not wrong, I already show you the bytecode, how my Mars language, which is nothing but our bytecode, it will be looks correct. What will be the extension for my dot class file, guys? What will be my extension for dot class file? Anyone? What will be my extension? I only saying the answer, right? That is dot class only. That is dot class only. What is the meaning of high level language? What is the meaning of high level language? High level, which nothing but human can understand the language. Low level language means what? Machine can understand the language. Intermediate language means what? Neither human nor machine can be understand. That is my intermediate language. It's nothing but our bytecode. Because of the bytecode, I can say Java is my platform independent. So how, sir? Why? Because if suppose I have developed the code in the Windows, I can execute in the Linux, I can execute in the Windows also, I can execute in the Mac, I can execute in what? Android. This is, we call it as what? Platform, excuse me, platform independent. Platform independent. I hope it's clear. Then, okay. If you observe in the last session, when I'm trying to execute the code, I'm getting some error, right? What might be the error? What might be the error? You might ask, sir, we are unable to develop the code itself. You are saying the execution part, sir. Okay. Suppose if I want to be develop the code, what is the thing which is required? What is the thing which is required? Anyone? What is the thing which is required? If I want to be develop the code, what is the thing which is required? We require software development kit. What is that? We require software development kit. Software development kit. Software development kit. Okay, sir. To develop the code, we require the software development kit. Which is nothing but by using the software development kit, I can write the program that is Python. I can write the program Java. I can write the program C#. Which is nothing but all the language I'm talking about, that is software development kit. No, sir. We are dealing with the Java. What is the thing which is required to develop the code, sir? To develop the Java code, sir. To develop the Java code, which requires, we call it as a JDK. What is that? JDK. What is the meaning of the JDK? Or else abbreviation of the JDK? JDK, which is nothing but it is Java Development Kit. What is that? Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit. Okay, now. Java Development Kit means what? That is a one software. By using this software, I can develop the code as well as I can execute the code. I can develop the code as well as I can execute the code. Okay. As of now, I'm just taking a basic architecture of JDK. I'm just taking what? I'm just taking a basic architecture of JDK. How my JDK look like and what are all the component which is present in my JDK? Let us understand that. Okay, now if I consider this my whole JDK, if I consider this my whole JDK, okay, let me take it is my JDK. Okay, now let me write this my JDK. What is the abbreviation of the JDK? Don't forget that is Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit. Okay, let me rewrite the line. Okay. Now this is my JDK. This is my JDK. Not satisfied with this line. Let me redraw. Okay. This is my JDK. Now this JDK contains two components. JDK contains two components. JDK contains what? Two components. First one, development tools. What is that? That is development tools. Development tools. What and all the development tools which is present in my JDK? What are all the development tools which is present in my JDK? Let us take one by one. We are having Java compiler, that is Java C. We are having Java C, and we are having Java P. We are having what? Java P. Then we are having some Java CMD. We are having Java CMD, and we are having some library files. What is that? We are having the library files. Sir, only for? No, we are having the n number of the different development tools are there. By make use of all the tools, we are developing the code. Now, I have a question. What is that question means? When I can consider I have developed the code. When I can consider I have developed the code. When I can consider that. After getting the successful output, can I consider I have developed the code? Is it so? Yes or no? I need the responses, guys. Quick. I need the responses. Can I consider after getting the output, I have successfully developed the code? Can I consider this? Can I? Yes. But my answer is no. My answer is no. Sir, then when I can consider I have successfully developed the code, sir? When I can consider I have successfully developed the code. Always remember, once I will get the successfully byte code, then I can consider I have developed the code. Sir, come again. When I have successfully get the byte code, then I can consider I have developed the code. I have developed the code, which is nothing but what? Syntax is everything is correct, zero errors. If the code is containing the zero errors, I can consider I have successfully developed the code. I have successfully developed the code. Clear? Okay, sir, I have successfully developed the code by making use of some development tools. After that, I should have to be execute that because I need the output. To get the output, we are having the different components. We are having what? Different components such as we are having JRE. We are having what? JRE. Here I am having JRE. Done. This is my JRE. Okay. What is the role of the JRE, sir? What is the role of JRE? Always remember, the JRE, it is giving the environment. Before going to that, what might be the abbreviation for the JRE? JRE, which is nothing but Java Runtime Environment. The name itself saying it is giving the environment to execute the code. It is saying to the developers, hey Mr. Developer, see, I'm a JRE. So I'm giving the environment. Could you please execute your code? In that way, the JRE, it is giving the environment to the developers to execute the code. It is just giving one environment. So it is the environment, you can execute the code. To get the environment, we require what? Java Runtime Environment. We require what? Java Runtime Environment. Under the JRE, we are having the different components. Suppose we are having some library files. We are having some library files as well as some command files. We are having some command files. We are having the library files as well as some command files. Then, so under the JRE, we are having our superhero. Who is that superhero for the Java developers? Which is nothing but our JVM. Who is that? That is a JVM. That is a JVM. Then, so inside the JRE, we are having JVM. Don't confuse. Inside JVM, we are having JRE. No. inside the JRE, we are having what? We are having the JVM. What is the abbreviation for the JVM, sir? You will keep on using JVM. Then what is the abbreviation for that? The abbreviation of the JVM, we call it as what? We call it as a Java Virtual Machine. What is that? Java Virtual Machine. The abbreviation of the JVM, it's nothing but that is a Java Virtual Machine. Java Virtual Machine. Done now? Java Virtual Machine. The lines are not visible. Let me redraw. Okay. Done. Clear? Fine. So I'm having the JVM. Understand carefully. Inside JDK we are having JRE. Inside JRE we are having the JVM. So inside JVM, do we have anything, sir? Inside JVM, do we have anything? Of course, we are having one of the component. We call it as JIT compiler. What is that? JIT compiler. JIT, which is nothing but just-in-time compiler. Here I am having JIT compiler. JIT compiler. JIT compiler. JIT, which is nothing but Java, just-in-time compiler. That is not Java, that is a just-in-time compiler. Okay, so these are all the components which is present under my JDK. So entire JDK we are going to be used for what? We are going to be used for development process as well as the execution process. If I consider the development process, we are having some development tools. What are all the development tools we are having? We are having the Java compiler, Java P, Java CMD, some library files, and as well as the n number of the different files for the development process. If I consider the execution perspective, we are having the different components. What are all the different components? Excuse me. First, we are having what? JRE. JRE, which is nothing but Java Runtime Environment. This JRE, which is giving the environment, which is giving me the environment to execute the code. Under the JRE, we are having the different files. First one is the library files and some of the command files. Next, under the JRE, we are having the superhero. Who is that superhero for the Java developer? Means JVM. What is the abbreviation for the JVM? Java Virtual Machine. Under the Java Virtual Machine, we are having the JIT compiler. What is that? Just-in-time compiler. Just-in-time compiler. Now, we are going to be discussed one by one. What is the purpose to have the JDK? What is the purpose to have the JDK? Observe carefully. The JDK, it is having all the necessary resources to develop the code and execute the code. If you observe, in the JDK, I'm having the development tools as well as I'm having some execution tools. It's nothing but it is a package. It's nothing but a kit. It's nothing but what? It is a kit. So it is having all the necessary resources for development process as well as the execution process. If I want to take the real-time example, means once we are going to be order the mobile phone in the online shopping platforms, might be the Amazon, might be the Flipkart. I'm adding the mobile phone, means do you think they are going to be packed the mobile separately, charger separately, earphone separately and adapter separately? Is it so? No, they are going to be packing everything into the single box. Correct? I'm having the mobile phone, they are going to be arranging neatly. I'm having mobile phone, I'm having the charger, I'm having the USB cable, then I'm having the earphone and all those things. Yes or no, guys? They are going to be make it as a single unit or a single kit they are giving to the user. In the same way, JDK is also having one kit. What is that kit? That is a development tools as well as the execution kits. So both are combinedly we are having the JDK. Both are combinedly we having what? JDK. Then next, we already come across this Java C. What is this Java C? That is a compiler, correct? To compile the code, we are using Java compiler, correct? Next, if I consider the JRE and JVM, observe carefully, we already come across JRE. What is that? It is giving just environment, that's it. But we are having the JVM. What is the main usage of the JVM? What is the main usage of the JVM? The JVM, it is a virtual machine, correct? JVM, What is the meaning of the JVM? That is a virtual machine itself, correct? Virtual machine in the sense what? It is a combination of set of instruction, correct? Yes or no? So if I'm having the virtual machine, virtual means that is a software. To develop the software, we should have to be write the logic, correct? We should have to be write the logic. Then I can say the JVM, it is a virtual machine. The name itself says it is a virtual machine. It is a combination of set of instructions. Okay. Now I have the questions. What is that questions, sir? Andre? So the JVM, which means the virtual machine, they have developed the machine by using the set of instructions. Now tell me, those set of instructions present in which language? I said my JVM, it is a set of instructions, combination of the set of instructions. Those set of instructions have designed or write in which programming language? Everyone, which programming language? One by one, quickly, which programming language might be? Which programming language? Quick. Which programming language? Which programming language? Which programming language? Which programming language? Can I consider Java? By using Java programming language, they have writing the set of instruction for my JVM. Is it so? Somehow you are thinking Java only, correct? But that is not Java, guys. By using the C and C++ programming language, they have writing the set of instruction for my Java virtual machine. You just implement the logic here. What is the logic? Assume if I want to develop the code and execute the code, I need the machine, I need the tool, correct? I have not yet developed the code. I have not yet developed the tool itself. Then how can I say I have write the logic by using the Java? Yes or no? For JVM, we are thinking like Java only the programming language they are used for the set of instructions. No, we are not yet ready with the tool itself to execute the code. Then how can I consider they are writing the logic by using the Java only, right? So by using the C and C++ programming languages, they have writing the logic for my Java virtual machine. Next, one more important point about the JVM. It is giving the memory allocation for each and every Java member present in the code. Might be the variables, might be the objects, might be the constructor, anything. If anything, we are going to be write the code. So if the code is required for the memory, that memory is allocated whom? That is my JVM. JVM is always responsible to allocate the memory location for each and every Java member. Don't forget this point. Okay, now done, clear? So this is all about the JVM. Okay, next, one more point. If I want to be include my JVM, after getting the bytecode, it will convert it to machine level language. Why? Because I want to execute the code, correct? That is also one of the important point. First one, allocate the memory location. Second point, it will convert my bytecode into the machine level language. Don't forget this. Who is converting the machine level language from the bytecode? My JVM. My JVM will be doing that. Then what is the role of this JIT compiler, sir? What is the role of the JIT compiler? To understand the just-in-time compiler, you should have to be focused here. You should have to be focused, else you couldn't get anything related to my just-in-time compiler. Okay, now let me ask some basic question. Okay, now assume everyone using the Instagram. Assume the Instagram have developed by using the Java only. Okay, now so how many billions of the people currently using the Instagram? How many billions of the people they are using the Instagram currently? How many billions? Can I consider 10 billions? 10 billion people, 10 billion. Okay, now average, let me take 5 to 10 billion. Okay, now 10 billion people currently using the, what is that? Instagram. Among the 10 billion people, how many members they have daily logged into the Instagram? How many? Suppose who and all watching this session, everyone using the Instagram, everyone daily logged into Instagram account, which is nothing but daily using that, correct? Which is nothing but daily log into my Instagram, correct? Now suppose we are writing the code for the login logic. For my logic for the login, we are using the Java code. Okay, now here I'm having the 50 lines of the code by using Java. 15 lines of the code by using Java only we have developed. After that, understand carefully here. Once the user enter, the first user enters to the enter to the Instagram page, they have tried to log in. Once they have to get logged in, this code should have to be converted to machine level language, correct? This code should have to be converted to machine level language. Yes or no? This code should have to be converted to the machine level language for the first user, correct? Next, the second user, they have entered to the Instagram website, they have tried to log into their account. After their login, the code should have to be converted to the machine level language. Why? Because should have to be execute the logic. Yes or no? Next, the third user, they're trying to enter to the website, they're trying to log in to their account, the code should have to be converted to the machine level language. Yes or no, guys? Yes or no? Right? So, if you observe, the same code repeatedly convert from the bytecode to the machine level language. The same code again and again they converted from bytecode to the machine level language. Now, this JIT compiler used to do, see, Mr. JVM, don't do again the conversion from bytecode to the machine level language. Don't do that. Why? Because at the time, the JIT compiler developed. At the time, JIT compiler developed, they have set one threshold value. They have set one threshold value. What is this threshold value? What is this threshold value? Threshold value which is nothing but a target. Threshold value which is nothing but what? A target. They have set one target. How this threshold value will work? Always remember, in the JIT compiler, threshold value might be 3 or 2. Might be 3 or 2. Maximum cases, it will be 3 only. Okay, now the threshold value is 3. How this 3 will work? How this threshold value will work? Understand carefully. Once the first user enter to the login page, which means the Instagram website, they have trying to log into the account, then the code should have to be converted to the machine level language. Now threshold value, it will become what? 1. Threshold value set to 1. Later the second user trying to enter to the Instagram website, they are trying to be log into their account. Now the bytecode converted to the machine level language. Now the threshold value will become 2. Next, once the third user enter to the machine level language, then the login logic, it will be converted to the machine level language. Then the threshold value, it will be reaches to 3. Then while developing the JIT compiler, they have set the threshold value is 3. Then the JIT compiler get to know, okay, the code, the same code again and again should have to be converted to the same machine level language. Same machine level language. Then the JIT compiler giving the instruction to the JVM. Hey, Mr. JVM, see. Observe here, I'm having the machine level language for the login method already. Do one thing, you don't generate the machine level language again and again. I'm already having that. By using the same machine level language, I'm going to be continue the process. You just allow for the user. Here time of the, which means the application efficiency, it will be increases and the time consumed will be less. Time consumed will be less and efficiency of the application, it will be increases. To this process, we are using the JIT compiler. They are going to be set on threshold value, which means the maximum 3 users enter to the website. They are performing the login operation. Once it will reaches the third employee or the third user, the threshold value, it will be reaches to maximum level. Then the machine code, it will be set with my JIT compiler. Then the JVM, it is couldn't going to be convert the bytecode into the machine level language one more time. Why? Because the JIT compiler, which is already holding the machine level language, by using the same code, same code, they are trying to be performing the operation further. From this, the application performance, it is the efficiency, it will be increases and time consumed will be decreases. In this way, my just-in-time compiler, it will be works. It will be help to the developers. Any doubts related to the JDK, JRE, JVM and JIT compiler? Any doubts? Anyone wants me to repeat anything here? Do you want me to repeat anything? Anything? No, sir. Okay then. Copy everything which is present in the board. If suppose anyone not yet open the laptop, means kindly on your laptops we are going to be install the JDK now. Okay. Meanwhile, copying that, kindly turn on your laptops. Guys, kindly copy all these points. Kindly copy these points quickly. Let us install the JDK. Okay guys, I hope it's done right. Let me give the confirmation. Done. Done. Okay, fine. So let me display the other image. So here you may get the different points of bytecode and the JVM. Kindly copy these points. I'm giving the 5 minutes of time. Okay. Kindly copy all those points. Okay, I hope it's already copied, right? I hope it's copied. Okay, shall we install the JDK? Shall we? Okay then. Okay, you just go to any browser. You just go to any browser. Just type here JDK 19 download. JDK 19 download. Okay, JDK 19 download. After that you are getting the official Oracle website. Okay now, official Oracle website. Here you may observe the first link. Just tap on that, scroll down, scroll down. You are having the n number of the different, options. You are having the different options. If suppose if anyone using Windows, you can go with the last one, that is 157.76 MB. You can go with Windows x64 MSI installer, that is 157.76 MB. Okay, you just tap on this link. Your JDK gets downloading here. If you observe, your JDK getting download. Okay, JDK getting download. Then if anyone using the Mac, you can go with the compressed, archive. Compressed archive, that is 177.56 MB. 177.56 MB. You can go with this approach. Okay, now this link you can get that. Okay, maximum I'm feeling like everyone using the Windows only. So go with the last link. You will get the JDK here. Okay. Is it your JDK is get downloaded? Is your JDK is downloaded? Let me give the confirmation, because after downloading, installation part is there. That is very important stuff. Installation. JDK is downloaded. Just give me the confirmation. It's just 158 MB. Okay, looks like your JDK is not yet downloaded. Do one thing, go to other tab, just type Eclipse installer. Eclipse installer. If you observe this link, Eclipse installer, this one, type this Eclipse installer. Just tap on here. You may observe first link. Eclipse installer. After that, go to the first link. If you are using the Windows, you can go to the x86 score_64. You can go through this link. You will get the Eclipse installer. Just tap on that. It will get downloaded. It will get start downloading. Okay, now Eclipse installer is already downloaded in my system. That is the reason I'm not going to download one more time. Okay, Windows user you can go with here, and Mac user, if anyone using the that is M series chip, you can go with this. If anyone using Intel, you can go with this. Okay, M series chip, you can go with the first link. If anyone using Intel, you can go here. Okay, now I'm feeling like everyone using the Windows only, then you can go with Windows, that is x86_64. Then it might be some 158 MB, something like that. Just tap on that. It is asking me to download. Just tap on the download button. You will get downloaded the Eclipse installer. Tap on that. You may get Eclipse installer. See, my Eclipse is start downloading. If you observe here, done. Okay, fine guys. I hope everyone ready with the JDK, right? Everyone already started the JDK. Everyone downloaded JDK. Just give me the confirmation. I'm feeling like everyone downloaded the JDK. Yes. Okay. Just double tap on that. You may get this window. Do you want to run this file? After that, tap on the run button. Here it is asking, my system is already having the JDK. That is the reason it is saying me to, it is saying the option like reinstall the things and all those things. Let me tap on yes. Let me tap on yes. It is installing. It is getting installing. Okay, now automatically close the application. One attempt to restart of the, do not close the application. Okay, these things are not going to be get in your system. Don't worry about that. I hope your software is getting downloaded. After that, it is asking me to, do you allow to this app to make the changes in your device? Yes, let me tap on that. Yes. Someone is saying no. You have not yet downloaded the JDK. Not yet downloaded the JDK. Okay, it is asking me to configure change. Restart now. I don't know. Okay, ma'am. I will wait for you. After downloading your JDK, just let me know. Just let me know. Or else you just see the process. You can reinstall. Okay, now I don't have the much time. Shall we do this? Can you go through the steps? Super. So after making that, you will get this window, guys. You will get this window. Okay, observe carefully. After that, tap on the next button. After that, tap on the next button. Next, it is asking you the path and all those things. Next, tap on the next button. Tap on the next button. Next, it is reinstalling, which means installing. It is giving the status. Do you want to download this app? Okay, tap on this button. It is installing. Okay, in your case, here you are not getting the retry and all those things. It is directly having the close something like that. Here I have successfully installed the JDK. Here I have successfully installed the JDK. That's it, guys. Just the JDK is downloaded, right? Just double tap on that in the right corner. Then you will get to a window. Just type on the next. That's it. Later you just make the exit here. Clear? Then how to check whether the JDK is installed in my system or not? Just go to the command prompt. You go to the command prompt. Here you have to give the command like Java / version. What is that? Java / version. Just tap on that. Java is not recognized. Oh, Java is deleted. Is it so? Here we are getting what? A 19 version. I don't know why in my system I'm showing like that. Just to give me a moment. Yeah, I'm getting this output here. It is not showing that. Java is not recognized as intermediate. Okay, look like okay. Go to C drive and program files, Java. Yes, I'm having JDK here. Done. Okay, once you run that command in your command prompt, you are getting the version. Which version you are using? Okay, now you are getting the version, guys. That is 19 only. Everyone getting the version after giving the command? Let me show the command. This is the command. What is the command? It is Java / version or else Java /v. Everyone getting the version? Everyone getting the version? Let me give the confirmation, guys. Everyone getting the version? Everyone getting the version? So here previously I'm having the JDK, might be something error here, but in your system it should be giving the 19 point something version, 19.23 something like that. You will get the versions. Everyone getting the version? Yes or no? Let me give the confirmation. You are silent means I am feeling like you are getting the version. That's it. Yes. Fine. After getting the version, you just go to this JDK path. How can I go that? First go to your local disk, that is C drive. Just go to C drives. Go to C drive, everyone. Go C drive. Next, here you may observe program files. There are the two program files. You just tap on the program files. Don't go with the program files, that is x86. Don't go that. You just go inside program files. Tap on that. You may observe Java folder. You may observe what Java folder here. Just tap on that. You will get the JDK here. You will get what? JDK19. Tap on JDK19. Here, after tap on the JDK19, in the above, if you observe the path, it is present here, right? You just click on that. What I am trying to do, you just go and just click on that. Your path is selected. Later, Control C. Just make Control C. Okay. Then in the search bar, how to be search here? How to be search? That is system environment. How to be search what? System environment. Here you are getting what? Edit the system environment. Okay. You are getting this. Tap on that. You will get a new window. You are getting a new window. Here I am getting the new window. Then everyone should have to be open this. Everyone should have to be open that. After copying the path here. After copying the path, you have to be open this. Then you may observe environment variable. You may observe here environment variable. Tap on this. After tap on the environment variable, you are getting the new window. Here I am having the two things. First one is the user variable. Second one is the system variable. Correct? You just scroll down here. If you scroll down in the system variable, just scroll down in the system variable. Okay. Here system variable. You may observe the path. Observe path is there. Path is there. Just select that path. Select that path and you may observe new button here. Just tap on that. Okay, just give me a moment. Come back. Double tap on the tab button. Sorry, path button. Okay, here in the path, just double tap on path. Just double tap on path. You will appear one more window. Here you are getting what? One more window. Next, if you observe here, I am having the n number of the different rows and all those things. Fields is right. Just tap on the field. You just tap on the field. Double tap. You just double tap on the field. You are getting the option to paste the link. Then the link which you have copied, right? The same link I am going to be pasted here. That is Control V. Control V. Control V. Okay. How to come here? Just go back. Search for the environment variable. You are getting that first. You have to be type on the tap on this environment variable button. You are getting the new window. Here I am having the two things. User variable and system variable. In the system variable, I'm having the path. Double tap on the path. You will get the new window. Later, in the empty space, just double tap. You are getting the option to paste the path. Then make just Control V. Control V. After making the Control V, just make the OK button. Tap on the OK button. If you observe, I am already having the JDK19 here. That is the reason I am not going to be paste the link one more time. So after pasting the path, tap on the OK button. Tap on the OK button. Done now. Next, after that you have to be tap on what? OK button. OK button. Next, here also OK button. That's it. Clear? Is it clear? Done? Done? Okay, fine. Next, if you observe here, my install, what is that? Eclipse installer, that is also be ready with my downloaded. I hope it is also downloaded, right? Eclipse installer. Okay, now. Observe carefully, Eclipse installer, it might take some time. I'm giving the steps. You just follow the steps, you will get the Eclipse in your system. Okay, now after successfully downloading the Eclipse installer, double tap on that. It will asking me to run here. Just tap on run here. Just tap on the run button. It is getting loaded. You may observe it is showing me the Eclipse installer. What is that? Eclipse installer. Okay, let's wait for a while. After open that, you are getting the different options here. Observe carefully. If you want, you can note down the points because Eclipse installer might take some more time. So you should have to be wait with the patience. Okay, here I'm having what? Eclipse IDE for the Java developer and Eclipse IDE for the enterprise Java and something website web page something is there. I'm unable to see that. Let me enlarge this. Web developers. Okay, this was the Java developer. This is for my web developers. Now now we are dealing with the Java. You can go with Java developers, but I am going to be suggest you can go with the Java and web developers. Why? Because in the future you are dealing with what? You are dealing with the GTEE, right? Over there you should have to be reinstall this. So why we need to be reinstall the same software again and again, correct? So my better option, I'm giving my opinion, you can go with the Eclipse IDE for the enterprise Java and web developers. You can go with this. Just double tap on that. It is asking me to install. Okay, it is asking me to install. Just tap on the install button. Just tap on the install button. So the Eclipse, it will get installing. It will get installing. It might take 5 minutes. It might take half an hour. It might take 45 minutes. Okay, now it is taking some time. So I'm already having the Eclipse IDE. That is the reason I'm not going to be tap on the install button. You just tap on the install button. Your Eclipse is get ready. Okay, now once it will get ready, once it will install, you will get this window. If you observe here in the right corner in my Eclipse, observe here I'm having what? Eclipse workspace. See, here I'm having what? Eclipse workspace. This is my enterprise edition. This is my enterprise edition. Later, I hope everyone knows how to create the project. Tap on the files, go to new. If you observe, you're having the Java project. Suppose anyone not finding the Java project, go to others. You can manually type what? Java project. You can manually type what? Java project. See, here I'm having the Java project. Just tap on that, then make the next. Select next. Then you have to give the Java project name. Then you have to give the finish here. Let me give the project is demo. Let me give demo as my project name. Later, if you observe at the bottom, I'm having what? Finish button. Tap on the finish button. You will get the project. See, am I having the demo project? Am I having the demo project here? Yes. Then just right click on the SRC. Right click on the SRC. Go to new. Then here I'm having the choice to create the class. Just take the class here. Let me give the class name is demo1. Here also I'm having what? Package. Just give the package name. Don't ask me what is the package and all those things. We will discuss that. Just give the package name like anything. As of now, you can give ABC. Okay, here I'm having demo. After typing the class name as well as the package name, kindly tap on finish button. You will get that class. See, I'm having the demo1 class. Next, kindly write the main method. Just write the main method. That is public static void main string array as an arguments. String array as an arguments. This is the way to get the main method. So do I need to be type manually? No. Do one thing. Just type main, then control space. You are getting the option that is public static void main. Then I have to remove this manually typing. Then I am having the main method. Now by using system.out.println, that is system.out.println. Okay, now. So here what I am trying to do, I am printing hello everyone, welcome Pentagon. I'm just saying hello everyone, welcome Pentagon. Then you have to be save the code. How to save the code? Control yes. Next, if you observe at the top, I'm having the button, that is green color button, that is play and pause button, right? So this is the button to run the code. Just tap on that. You will get the output like hello everyone, welcome Pentagon. Welcome guys, welcome to Java session. Okay, now I'm welcoming you to Pentagon. Okay, now you might ask, sir, what is this main method, sir? Because we already know the class, then what is this main method? So that is the entry point for execution of my code. That is the entry point. Why? Because my JVM always search for the main method to start its execution. Okay. Next, I'm having the system.out.println. What is this, sir? This is the statement. Whatever the things I want to be print in my console in the sense what? In my output. Whatever the things I want to print, then I can choose the system.out.println statement. Okay, now. So this is the statement responsible to give the output in the console, and this is the method to start the execution of my code. To this process, we are using the main method, and printing purpose we are using the system.out.println. That's it. Don't worry, we are going to be learn more about that. As of now, I'm just giving the introduction about the main method as well as the println statement. That's it, guys. Okay. So only one way to execute the code? No, you can just stay in the window, right click on that project, which means just right click on that. You will get this one. Then if you observe, I'm having what? Run as. Here I'm having the option called run as. Here you may observe Java application. Just tap on the Java application. The code it will get run. The code it will get run. In this way, I can execute the code. Okay, na? Understood? Is there any confusion here? Is there any confusion, guys? Any confusion? Anyone having any confusion? Let me know. Any confusions? How many of you installed a JDK? How many of you installed JDK? Let me give the confirmation. How many of you installed? Guys, we are dealing with the Java session, right? That is the installation process. Not giving any responses, then how can I get to know you're facing some issues and all those things, right? Come out from the hesitation. Come out from the hesitation. How many of you installed? Kindly let me know. Okay, someone is saying installed, sir. Okay, others? I hope you have not yet installed the Eclipse, right? Sandhya? You not yet installed? Darshini is also saying installed, sir. Okay. You both installed Eclipse also? Sir, during my internship period only installed, sir. Okay. Okay, guys. So this is the way to install the JDK as well as the Eclipse. Now we have ready to write the first program, right? We already written the programs. We already written the program, correct? Okay then. Okay guys, that's about the session. This is the time to wind the session. Let's meet in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye bye.